What's going on, guys? It's me, Phil, back again with Cap Swag for another product review video. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at some custom 47 brand sky blue or icy blue with the pink undervisor dad hats that we just got in. Let's get into it. Alright, I'm going to try to run through these pretty quickly just because it's the same type of hat, the same features, the same details. It's just a different team. So I just wanted to give you guys a look at these, see what we got in, see what teams we got in, and then take it from there. Alright, so up first we got the Pittsburgh Pirates. Unstructured crown, curved brim, icy blue color, as you can see all around. We got the Pittsburgh Pirates logo embroidered in white in 3D. 47 brand logo on the side, the wearer's left side embroidered in white. On the back we got the icy blue strap with a metallic buckle and a pink undervisor right there. As you can see, nice clean pink undervisor. Black sweatband on the interior, genuine merchandise label, 47 brand label. It's one size fits all, and it is 100% cotton, that breathable dad hat material that we all know and love. Alright, so next up is the Los Angeles Dodgers. Okay, so right here we got the Los Angeles Dodgers icy blue pink bottom dad hat. We got the icy blue color all around, unstructured crown, bent brim, same thing. LA logo on the front, embroidered in white with the 47 brand logo on the wearer's left side, embroidered in white. Icy blue strap on the back with the metallic buckle. Pink undervisor, black sweatband, genuine merchandise label, 47 brand label, and as we all know, 100% cotton for this guy. So here's another shot of the Los Angeles Dodgers icy blue pink bottom dad hat. Cool. So up next we got the Atlanta Braves. Let's get into it. Alright, so right here we got the Atlanta Braves icy blue dad hat. I really love this color scheme. You know, the light blue with the pink. I think it goes together so well. We've seen them do this on a New Era fitted cap. We actually got that in a Yankees hat, and it completely sold out. So it's good to see other brands use that colorway. I think it looks so good, and I love the fact that we're getting these custom colorway hats in the classic 47 brand cleanup hat, which is just an iconic baseball cap that I think everybody has at least one in their collection, right? Atlanta Braves logo A on the front in white embroidered. We got the 47 brand logo on the wearer's left side embroidered in white. Adjustable blue strap with a metallic buckle. Pink undervisor, black sweatband on the interior, 47 brand label right here, genuine merchandise label right here, and it's 100% cotton, guys, one size fits all. So there's another shot of the Atlanta Braves with the pink bottom. Up next we got I think we're going to do the Boston Red Sox next, alright? So let's get into it. Okay, so here's the Boston Red Sox hat. This is the only one in the collection that actually features pink embroidery in the logo. I'm not quite sure why that is, but it might have something to do with the generation of logo that it is. I guess they have to use the two-tone one for some reason. Unstructured light blue crown, bent light blue brim. We got the pink and the white Boston Red Sox logo embroidered. On the wearer's left side, 47 brand logo in white. On the back we got that icy blue adjustable strap with the metallic buckle. Pink undervisor, so it matches that front logo pretty nicely. You got a black sweatband on the interior, genuine merchandise label, 47 brand label, and it is one size fits all, 100% cotton. Organic material for this dad hat. There's another look at that. Pink undervisor. Next up we got the Chicago White Sox. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's the White Sox hat. Same deal as the other ones, icy blue all around, icy blue unstructured crown, icy blue curved brim. On the wearer's left there, we got the 47 brand logo embroidered in white. On the front, we saw the White Sox logo embroidered in the 3D white. On the back, we got an icy blue strap with the adjustable metallic buckle. Pink bottom goes great with that icy blue color. Iconic pink bottom, under-brim. Black sweatband on the interior. Genuine merchandise label, 47 brand label, one size fits all, and it is 100% cotton. So there's a couple different angles again of the White Sox and the icy blue with the pink bottom. And finally, we got the New York Yankees. So I mean, the New York Yankees in this icy blue with the pink bottom is absolutely dope. We had this in the 5950 with the side patch, and I mean, it sold out in, honestly, it sold out so quickly, like in a couple days. Absolutely great. I don't know what it is about the Yankees logo and custom colorways, just for some reason, it just, especially in this icy blue, it just looks so fire. Got the white logo embroidered there in 3D on the unstructured crown, the 47 brand logo right there in white. Got an adjustable strap on the back in the icy blue with the metallic buckle, and boom. Pink undervisor, as always, as I've said before, goes so well with that icy blue. Got a black sweatband on the interior, genuine merchandise label, 47 brand label, and it's 100% cotton and one size fits all. And here's another kind of look at this guy, the pink undervisor. Guys, if you like custom colorway hats, this collection is for you. It's always great to see some variety. You know, generally, like I've said before, you see custom colorway hats in a 5950 from New Era, in a 950 from New Era. Sometimes Mitchell & Ness is doing it. But I haven't really ever seen a company do it in the classic baseball cap silhouette. I'm so happy 47 brand is doing it because these are absolutely fire. And it gives some more variety for the people that don't necessarily like to wear, you know, like fitted caps. Maybe they like a lower fit, a lower profile. These are a great alternative for that. So if you enjoyed this collection, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you always know when we post a new video. That's the best way to get notified. Leave us a comment, let us know what kind of content you're interested in. Let us know what products you want to see us bringing to the table. We do a lot of custom items. We do a lot of different projects, so it's always great to hear from you guys. We do read your comments. We do take them seriously. And as always, make sure you follow us on Instagram. It's @CapswagUSA. That's the best place to find out about all the latest news, all the new products, releases, projects, whatever we're working on. It hits Instagram before any of the other channels, so make sure you follow us there. Guys, I appreciate you watching this video. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one.